This is Mr. Islam Yusuf. Our lesson today about solving inequality by addition and subtraction. But before we start solving, we have to know what is the meaning of the inequality. Inequality is comparing between two quantities. One of them is more than the other one. Solving inequality means find the value of the variable which satisfies the inequality. Number 1. X minus 12 is more than or equal to 8. By the same way of solving the equation, we will solve the inequality. So because we have here minus 12, so we'll add 12. So x is more than or equal 8 plus 12, which equals to 20. So the solution now will be x more than or equal to 20. Number 2. 22 more than m minus 8. So by the same way, because we have minus 8, so we'll add 8. So the inequality now will be 22 plus 8 is more than m. 22 plus 8, which equals to 30. More than m. So the solution now will be 30 is more than m, or we can say that m is less than 30. Number 3. D minus 14 is more than or equal to negative 19. So because we have minus 14, so we'll add 14. So D is more than or equal. Negative 19 plus 14 equals to negative 5. So the solution now will be D is more than or equal to negative 5. M plus 19 more than 56. By the same way of solving, because we have plus 19, so we'll subtract 19. So we can say that M is more than 37. So the answer is C. Number 5. P plus 8 less than or equal to 18. Because it's plus 8, so we'll solve by subtracting 8. P less than or equal. 18 minus 8 equals to 10. So P less than or equal to 10. So the answer is B. 3a plus 6 less than or equal to 4a. Because we have a variable in the left hand side and the right hand side, so we'll collect all of the variable on one side and all of the number on the other side. So we can shift 3a from the left hand side to the right hand side by subtraction. So now will be 6 less than or equal. 4a minus 3a equals a. So the solution now will be 6 less than or equal a. Or we can say that a more than or equal 6. 9n minus 1 less than 10n. By the same way, because 9n is positive, so we'll subtract 9n. So negative 1 less than 10n minus 9n equals n. So we can say that negative 1 less than n, or n more than negative 1. 5h less than or equal 12 plus 4h. Because we have 4h is positive on the right hand side, so we'll subtract 4h. So the inequality now will be 5h minus 4h less than or equals to 12. 5h minus 4h equals h, less than or equals 12. In this problem, we need to define the variable, write the inequality, and solve each problem. Twice a number increased by 4. Twice a number which is 2, this number will be x. Increased, which is plus, increased by 4, so it will be plus 4. At least it means more than or equal. So it will be more than or equal 10 more than a number. As we said before, more than which is plus, and the expression which before more than will be written after the plus sign. The expression which after more than will be written before the plus sign. We have one variable in each side and one number in each side. So we'll collect all of the variables on the same side, so by subtracting x, and collect all of the number in the other side, so by subtracting 4. So the inequality that we have now, which is 2x minus x, is more than or equal 10 minus 4. So 2x minus x is equal to x, more than or equal 10 minus 4 equals 6. So the solution now will be x is more than or equal to 6. Number 2. 3 more than a number. Let this number is x, more than which is plus 3. Because we said before, more than 3 will be written after more than, a number will be before the plus sign. It's less than, so that's the sign of less than. Twice a number which is 2x. So now we have a variable in each side, so we can subtract x. So 3 less than 2x minus x equals x. So the solution will be 3 less than x, or x more than 3.